In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download on ElevenLabs. Navigating this versatile text-to-speech platform might seem a bit tricky at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step through the download process. So, let's dive right in and get you started. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Whether you like using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, ensure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. This helps keep everything running smoothly as you follow along. Now that your browser is open, it's time to sign in to your ElevenLabs account. If you're not already a user, you might need to sign up first. But assuming you have an account, look for the login page. Use your credentials to access the platform. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main interface, ready to explore the wealth of features at your disposal. At this stage, you have a few options for downloading. You can choose to download a recent file or one from your history. If you've worked on some projects before and need to re-access your audio files, the history option is your best bet. However, today, we're focusing on creating and downloading a fresh file. So let's see how that's done. To begin, you'll want to type in the message you wish to convert into speech. Think about the text you'd like to transform into an audio file. This could be anything from a script for a presentation to a short story or announcement. Once your text is ready, it's time to move on to the next exciting step. Choosing a voice is where the magic happens, as it's all about bringing your words to life. ElevenLabs offers various voices to suit different contexts and preferences. Explore the selection and choose one that aligns with the tone and feel you're aiming for. You can further tailor this by adjusting the speed, stability, similarity, and style exaggeration. These settings give you control over how natural or dynamic the voice sounds, ensuring it fits your needs precisely. With all your options set, click on Generate Speech. This will synthesize your text into an audio file using your chosen settings. It's a seamless process that usually takes just a moment. Once the audio is generated, you'll notice a download option just below the right sidebar. Click it, and your newly created audio file will be downloaded directly to your device, ready for use anywhere you need. And that's it! You now know how to navigate ElevenLabs to create and download your text-to-speech files effortlessly. With this knowledge, you're all set to leverage this tool for various projects. Thanks for joining me, and happy downloading!